so we have an fruits and vegetable day today. Okay? And we do have a lot of fruits and vegetables for you. Now you have to tell me which vegetable this is. Carrot. Do you like carrot? Why? Why? Because it's healthy. Very good. Do you like which vegetable is this? Which vegetable is this? Bell pepper. Do you like bell pepper? No?
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
Potato.
Potato. Everyone likes potato, I guess. Okay, which vegetable is this? Cucumber. Do you like cucumber? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now what is this? Is it fruit or vegetable? Now first tell me, is it fruit or vegetable? Fruit. Which fruit is this? Apple. And which vegetable is this? Banana. Do you eat banana or not? Yes, it's healthy for your body, okay? No. Oh my god, it's heavy. What is this? Melon. What is this? Okay. Is it fruit or vegetable? Fruit. Do you like fruits? Yes. Everyone likes fruit. Okay. Let's came on vegetable again. Tomato. What is this? Tomato. What is this? Abu Bakr, what is this? Lemon. What is this? Do you like chili? Do you like chili? Yes, do you like chili? Do you want to eat chili? Okay, which vegetable is this? Onion. Acha, could you tell me the color of that onion? Purple. Which color is this? Purple. And what is this? In English? Brinjal. Which vegetable is this? Do you like this brinjal or this brinjal? What is this? Brinjal. Do you eat brinjal? Very good. Okay. Now, I think all of you like this. Grapes. Tell me the color of grapes. Green. And is it fruit or vegetable?
Fruit.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Not as a vegetable? It's fruit?
Yes.
Yes, you are right. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera and say bye.
Bye.
See you.
Likes to do 1, 2, 3,